colleagues. I'm the chairman of the committee for the Villages Action Committee, which is being entrusted and which we have been formed and being entrusted by most of the villages of right up from Sangwal up to Majolda, and which encompasses the villages of Arosim, Kansauli, Velsam, Bali, Surshi, Daboli. And we have been highlighting the issues regarding the misery, I'll say misery of the people who are living along the route. So we have brought up this to the notice of our CM, and CM has been kind enough to agree for arrange a meeting with the South Western Railway management. And next Thursday is the date that has been scheduled for this site inspection, wherein the South Western Railway along with our villagers will jointly inspect the route and will take the movement forward from there. One thing I want to make it very clear is we have, through all the suffering that we have been experiencing over the years, we are not ready for any solution as such. Whatever it may be, the people have had enough. There have been promises and promises all along for so many years, but nothing has materialized. So many lives have been lost on these tracks while the students have been crossing over. Recently, there was a near fatality of a lady who was crossing these tracks, and she has lost both her limbs. Now, such things cannot be, money cannot buy such things. Life is not at the cost of development of a few families, few corporates, I would say.
My main question is, all this for whose benefit? I think the villagers of the various villages along the route want to know. In fact, it was the Honorable Chief Minister who felt the need to talk to the members of the Villagers Action Committee against doubling of the South Western Railway tracks. Okay, I think the authorities present, also the manager of the South Western Railway was present for this meeting, and the government, that is our Honorable Chief Minister, has taken a decision that a very definite, survey of the entire route will be redone so that the truth of the proximity of the second tracks will be established. We have made it very clear to the Honorable Chief Minister that life will be a misery for the people living in these houses. Okay, and it is precisely for this reason that the Honorable Chief Minister has ordered the South Western Railway Authority to kind of have another inspection, site inspection of the entire route, and he even said mark exactly the proximity of the tracks to every house along the route, because he says he wants to see how it is. He also told the railway authority, if you are proposing any infrastructure, also to show where the infrastructure will be, so that, because we've made it very clear that 100 years have passed since the South Western Railway installed the first tracks, that is the meter gauge. Until date, not a single infrastructure has been put in place for the benefit of the people living in the area.